In this video, I'll show you how to contact Wise support. Step 1. Use Wise in-app support. Log into your Wise account via app or website and go to the help section for live chat or email support. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Visit Wise Help Center. You can browse well-categorized articles on the Wise Help Center website to find answers quickly. Step 3. You can also contact via phone. Call Wise support numbers available by country. In the US, this number is 1-888-501-4041. Step 4. Use social media channels. Reach out through Wise's official Twitter or Facebook accounts for support and updates. Step 5. Email for specific requests. Send emails for special cases. This can be to these few email addresses. I will not name them. Now I have some tips for you. Be ready with your account details and transfer references. Use clear, concise descriptions of your issue. And use chat during business hour for faster replies. And that's how you get Wise support. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.